At a leading legal and professional services organization, critical business decisions depend on trusted data across matters, clients, billing, conflicts, and compliance. Yet this data is fragmented across structured systems and unstructured legal documents, making governance, quality, and auditability increasingly complex. EXL Data.AI addresses this challenge by creating a governed, AI-ready data foundation within the target data platform, without disrupting existing legal operations. A significant portion of legal intelligence lives in unstructured formats, contracts, engagement letters, compliance documents, and legal correspondence. EXL Data.AI begins by ingesting this content using AI-powered annotation agents designed specifically for legal and professional services. These agents understand legal context. They identify clients, matter references, risk clauses, confidentiality markers, and regulatory indicators, and convert narrative content into structured, linked intelligence. The annotated outputs are immediately published into the target data platform, where unstructured legal content is now searchable, queryable, and linked to operational data. In parallel, EXL Data.AI migrates structured data from the organization's core systems. This includes matters, time and billing records, conflicts data, approvals, and workforce information, all brought in using governed, metadata-driven migration pipelines. The migration preserves data lineage, business definitions, and system context, ensuring accuracy and auditability from day one. Once loaded, structured, and annotated data come together inside the target data platform as a single, trusted foundation, matter records are enriched with document intelligence. Conflicts are connected to billing and staffing. Compliance attributes are embedded directly into operational datasets. With data consolidated, EXL Data.AI runs an automated data quality scan tailored for legal and professional services. The platform detects issues such as missing client identifiers, inconsistent matter status, duplicate parties, invalid approvals, and outdated conflict declarations. These checks run continuously at scale and without manual effort. Detection alone isn't enough in a law firm. Governance requires professional judgment. Using a legal and professional services governance persona, EXL Data.AI determines which issues require human review, whether by risk teams, legal operations, finance, or partners. Remediation tasks are routed for human-in-the-loop approval, ensuring accountability, confidentiality, and regulatory compliance. The result is trusted, governed, and AI-ready legal data, enabling a leading legal and professional services organization to reduce manual controls, improve compliance confidence, and build a strong foundation for advanced analytics and Gen AI on an AI-ready enterprise data platform.